on this episode of Kids on the Plane.
We are leaving Tokyo.
We jump on the Shinkansen bullet train.
Like maybe leaving Tokyo too.
Getting lost in the middle of nowhere.
Okay, big scare.
And then we went 4 more stations further into the middle of nowhere. But then we got off one stop too early, so...
And we get a surprise cooking lesson from our Airbnb host.
Oh, look at that.
Today we're taking our first big train trip in Japan. From Tokyo to a tiny place called Kishimoto, hundreds of kilometers away. It'll take 3 transfers to get there, so it's going to be a long day.
We are leaving Tokyo.
Yeah, do you like Tokyo?
Yeah.
Do you know what city we're going to today?
Yeah.
What?
To what?
Where are we going today?
Yeah.
Where are we going today?
Yeah.
Hmm?
Yeah. Where are you going today?
Yeah, where are we going?
To what?
You already know.
Yeah.
And we're going to a really small town.
I was a really fun town looks like.
We don't know yet. We're gonna see it today.
Like we're leaving Tokyo.
Mm-hmm.
We are leaving Tokyo. Like maybe leaving Tokyo too.
Yeah, maybe it's waving goodbye.
Bye. 24 more sleeps, we'll be back. It's fine. Behold, the bento box. Pre-packaged food. Comes with chopsticks and toothpick. And this is chicken teriyaki.
Fast food, Japanese style.
Yeah. A bite? Samya, you want a bite? What? Whoa. I got the chicken?
You would put the chicken.
Alright, go over all the food.
Sushi.
This is the Hikari Super Express bound for Okayama. We'll be stopping at Kyoto and Shin Osaka.
I can reach the thing.
Yeah, you can reach this one.
No.
Good job.
I can see that one.
Okay, don't headbutt her. Okay, what are you doing?
Dismiss.
What did you say?
Dismiss.
Who's dismissed?
Maybe wants to. Now.
Oh yeah? Are you in jail right now?
Yeah.
Yeah. Stay there. Oh, you little. So we bought how many boxes? 4 boxes today. And Gavin has already eaten 2.
2. That only leaving us 2 poor parents.
Ooh, what's this?
This looks like your
Scallops?
seafood. So what happened to your last bento
want
box,
some
Papa?
snacks.
Well, Gavin here flipped the box and we lost a third of it.
Most of it. Watch out. Yeah, come here. Oh, just pull the head in. Are you hungry?
Yeah.
Okay. Should we have some? You want Daddy's seafood?
No, you want beef.
Delicious.
You want
No,
mommy's
I want
beef.
some snacks.
You want both?
No, I want some snacks.
What snacks? I don't understand.
I want some bento box snacks.
This is
This
bento box.
Hmm.
Not quite what he had in
I
mind.
don't think
the baby has a protruding tongue.
Yeah. She gets that from dad.
Where's the dad?
Okay, big scare. We just came here at this station. As you can see, it's remote.
See the tumbleweeds?
So this is supposed to be our last transfer of the day. They told us it's a local train, so no reservation needed. So as I was going to the terminal over there, and this station guy just was jogging away towards Jen like something's on fire, and as soon as he saw a foreigner, he knows that we're in trouble, which is good because we are. So he's showing us 21 at a big board, and to me that means 9 p.m. 21. So scared the pants off of us because we thought, oh my god, we're gonna be here for 5 hours in the middle of nowhere. So he pulls off this timetable here, and he starts highlighting with a ruler very precisely where the trains are supposed to come and arrive. 4:21 that the train is supposed to come. So instead of 9 p.m. it's just 20 minutes from now, so we're all good.
Tragedy averted. That one was pretty tight. Where is she going?
Yeah.
Where's she going?
Where's she going?
You can open it, can you?
I open it. I want to look outside.
What happened?
Well, we got up at the wrong station, and then we went 4 more stations further into the middle of nowhere. But then we got off one stop too early, so we were kind of screwed, and the next train didn't come for a long time. But thankfully, we found the taxi, which is unbelievable, and we're on our way to our destination. But we missed the train, so the bed and breakfast people have probably tried to pick us up from that train. We have no internet, so the journey's not over. Stay tuned and see the gripping conclusion. Do they make it to the B&B for dinner?
Gavin's doing okay.
Yeah, he's hanging in there. We're
So-
in rural Japan.
So what happened there?
The birds?
It's not a fake subway birds.
It's not the fake subways, those ones are real. Unless they're piping them in. It's so
Right.
tranquil when you hear the birds. So at all the subway stations in the main cities, they pipe in bird sounds. So I don't know, it's just nice when you're in the subway. Okay, whoa. Get off the road.
Oh.
So we got on the train and we're like, yay, we got on the train. We only had to wait like 10 minutes. And then we got off at the wrong station. So now we're in like even a smaller town, and we have no internet.
The station wasn't even manned anymore.
No, there was no guy at the station, no person at the station to answer questions. It was like just an empty booth. But we just ended up finding another random person, and we're like, do you have Google? And he's like, hey. Another great conversation with a Japanese person who was super helpful and friendly and generous with his time, and helped our family out. So anyway, so he organized a taxi, talked to the host of the Airbnb, and arranged us to get here. So it's too bad actually, because we're right at the base of this massive volcano. It's been a good day. We traveled all the way from Tokyo, and now we're Where the hell are we?
Kishimoto.
Kishimoto, near Matsue, Mount Daisen. Hi. Go, 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 go. Run, 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 run. Go get daddy. Look at her mouth. Oh, he fell. I can win. I can win.
I got it.
Someone's down there.
Mama.
It's a bear.
Yeah.
Going on a bear hunt. Good job. Here
I'm
we go.
making pancakes.
Gavin likes octopus.
Oh, look at that.
Delicious.
Yeah, that's what we're eating tonight.
Hey, that's an oil. And she's putting the oil inside so nothing sticks. You can put them in one at a time.
One at a time.
One at a time in each one. Good job.
I'm cooking some pancakes.
Takoyaki? That's not takoyaki.
I'm cooking now.
He's a new Gordon Ramsay. Well, apparently our son is cooking every meal from here on out for us. Hello, he's the best chef in the world.
He just made the first takoyaki.
Takoyaki. He made a dish that we've never made. Looks really great.
Smells good.
Yeah, I don't think it'll be enough for Frank though. Looks like just enough for the youngins and I.
So the host is on the phone. And
I'm pinch hitting. I'm pinch
Jane's
hitting.
hopefully not messing up our
No,
dinner.
no. Trust me, it's
Oh, okay. What's your
all
record
you
here?
gotta do is turn it. I watched her. Man, I'm feeling the pressure here.
A lot of
Miyuki,
sweat coming
Miyuki
out.
put the pressure on me.
Come on, Gordon.
Get that camera out of my face. Where'd you learn to chop, Jocko? Oh, mayonnaise. Yeah. Wow. So, what we should probably do next is just
Hey,
go to
come
my own
back here,
my
come
own
back
private
here.
room.
Come back here.
So, good night. Yeah, good night. Thank you. I guess you. Hi. Gosh, it's so good. I can't even describe what the taste is to you. I've never had anything like it. This is what you cooked. Now the chef. Alright, there you go.
We are getting the self-point in the pancake.
Yeah.
But I'm cook some pancakes.
That looks good. Now that we're in the country and we're having a very unique meal prepared for us right in front of our eyes, food that we've never seen, this is very cool experience and we totally recommend it to anybody who's coming to Japan.
Next time on Kids on the Plane. Our first hike in Japan to the cool temple on Mount Daisen.
2,000 and these two together about 7, so only about 3.
Trying to buy lunch from a vending machine.
So basically, you screw it up. It's your own darn fault.
And we make it to Matsue, where getting into a restaurant becomes a challenge.
So we're at the Matsui restaurant that accepts children. Yay!
It's only the third one we've tried.
So weird. There's like nobody in the restaurants right now.